Alright, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up? Beardy Picker here. Another Rite Aid. I didn't make it this one last night. We have 3 in town that haven't closed yet, but they were all closed between now and March 15th. And reopened as Walgreens. The pods are out in the parking lot. They're taking the sign down. So, let's go see what we can find. As you can see, there's tags everywhere. I dropped stuff finishing off. Most of the stuff I missed already. Alright. Well, that didn't work. Dang, man. I bought enough of that stuff. You think I know where the barcode is. It's $9.49 and it sells for DDD. Sorry. I got 1 bar. Sells for $19. End up making $2 on 10. That's not 50%. Do you have to straighten the shelves up if they're going to rearrange them anyway? What do y'all think? I know what Shane would tell me. He'd say nope. Okay, so that's $5.99 to $14 in there. Oh, look, a twin pack. Let's see what we got. None found. So what do we do when none are found? You crank up Amazon and tell Amazon to look at it. Come on, baby. Big bucks, no whammies. Of course, they're not gonna 2 count. There it is. We hope that's it. Yeah, $12. We can buy it for $6. Nope. Alright, I'm gonna look around. If I find anything interesting, I'll bring y'all back with me. Alright, there's good money in bin 10. I got a couple phones. I got another bin 10. Got a couple motorcycle dudes. A couple dolls. What about the little baby, the small bopper, the micro? It sells for $8. You can buy it for $6. No. What about this guy? He sells for $6, $11. Loser. What about the big guy selling for $11? Every time I bring y'all back, it's a loser. 300,000. There's only 12 sellers. Buy it, sell it for 40. Buy it for 11. All right. Hey, what about Monopoly Junior? What do y'all think? I'm gonna let y'all guess right now in the comments below. Monopoly Junior, yes or no? Yes or no? I bought one of these last night. That's the answer. So they're $8. You buy them for $24. You make 7 on 8. All right. And the big thing about them is they are 9,000 ranking toys. You cannot beat 9,000 ranking toys. All right. It's been $125 at 70% off. Let me go. Let me get the van unlocked. So the big thing, it was mainly all toys. Everything else was taken. One interesting thing, made $25 on Nicorette gum. I made a lot of money on Nicorette through the years. So if you're ungated, that is something really, really good to sell. People just, for some reason, they love that brand if they start using that stuff. And so I want to be the one to make sure I supply for them, right? See, there you go there. Pharmacy Rite Aid. That's awesome, man. Let's go see what we can find. Well, the Rite Aid across the street's already closed. Only thing open is the pharmacy. Let's go find some penny stuff. I can't pass it up, guys. I got some kind of disease. For everybody who's saying we got some big Dollar Generals, take a look at this one. How you like that one? Alright, peace. Sorry, I was on the phone with my brother. Telling him about all my fun adventures. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Huh. Anybody see anything? Bueller. There's a big set of these right here somewhere. If you find the big one of those, it's worth like 60 bucks. Da 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 da. Huh. Anybody seen the clearance? I see it. Let's see what we can find. Here. If they are pennies, I don't recognize them. Hey, what about that? Some IBC cherry cola for your water. It's only got 1 gram of carbohydrates for 90 cents. What do y'all think? I'm gonna spend $1 at Dollar General. Damn it, man. All right, let's go look for some Pop-Tarts before I spend my $1. Better yet, let's go look on the shelf, see if we can find some. Hey, look at all the games. Were they getting ready for Christmas already? If y'all see any penny stuff, scream. I will open my phone and see. See what I can find. Right on, right on. All right. Dadgummit. Walk right by some clearance. All these Band-Aids, they gotta be going to a penny soon. Alright. Pop-Tarts, anybody? Come on. Pop-Tarts. Pretzels. Cheese puffs. See, I don't always know where everything is. All these people who say we glamorize retail arbitrage. I'm recording this just so y'all can see me walk out with nothing. Zipola. Skunk. Alright, so I don't have the ability to pass by stores on my way home, so this is a Walgreens. Hey, let's go see what we can find. Somebody in the comments of my last video said that they had continence pads on sale. Huh. Let's go find out. We'll check some toys too. And ooh, Norelco on clearance. Let's go see. I'm at Walmart right now, folks. When I tell you the bearded picker will say anything, here I am, the bearded picker, the dude in the store with the biggest beard in the store, over here scanning women's bras. Let's see if there's any. This one sells, they got it on sale for $4, and let's see what it sells for. There's a lot of Fruit of the Loom. Sells for 10. You're making 68 whole cents. Oh my God. 68 cents. Most of these are $3 or $4, so we're just gonna assume they're $3 or $4. So I'm gonna scan a lot of this rack. No pun intended, right? Alright, ready to pick a roll. Funko PLPs. I'm whispering like I'm Shane, like there's nobody around in this whole damn Walmart. I always check the ones that are Walmart exclusive. Let's see what we got here. This one's probably squat. They're $8.78. You can lose. Well, I hate it when I get to the end of a video and editing and I didn't finish actually closing out the video. So that was just a couple hours of just random, hey, I'm going looking for the closeouts on Rite Aid. Oops, there's a Dollar General. And then someone told me about some things in Walmart, so I might as well check them out too, right? And so, hey, thanks for watching. I hope you've seen more into the depth of my disease, retail arbitrage. Do not try this at home, because you will be infected. These little hanger-ons wouldn't even have a chance. Awesome, though. I dominate. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Appreciate you. Well, you guys are still kind of